Connective tissue is one of the most widely distributed tissues in the human body. It serves as the fundamental binding material that connects and supports all other tissues and organs. Let us explore its essential functions and comprehensive classification system. Connective tissue performs several critical functions in the body. It binds organs together, providing structural support and strength to various tissues. It plays vital roles in protection, transport of nutrients, and repair processes. Adipose tissue specifically serves as energy storage, acting as the body's reserve food supply. Connective tissue is classified based on the nature of its matrix, ground substance, fiber composition, and cellular components. The primary classification includes 5 major categories: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, cartilage, bone tissue, and blood vascular tissue. Each category has distinct structural characteristics and functional specializations. The first major category is loose connective tissue, which includes 3 specific types. Areolar connective tissue forms the basic packing material between organs. Adipose tissue specializes in fat storage and insulation. Reticular connective tissue creates the structural framework for lymphoid organs like the spleen and lymph nodes. The second category is dense connective tissue, characterized by abundant collagen fibers. Dense regular tissue has parallel fiber alignment, found in tendons and ligaments. Dense irregular tissue has randomly oriented fibers, providing strength in multiple directions. Elastic connective tissue contains elastic fibers for stretch and recoil, present in arterial walls. The third category is cartilage, with 3 specialized types. Hyaline cartilage provides smooth surfaces for joint movement. Elastic cartilage offers flexibility in structures like the external ear. Fibrocartilage provides strength and shock absorption in intervertebral discs. Bone tissue forms the rigid skeletal framework, while blood constitutes the fluid connective tissue for transport functions. In summary, connective tissue represents a diverse family of tissues with specialized functions. From the loose packing of areolar tissue to the rigid strength of bone, each type serves specific roles in maintaining body structure, function, and homeostasis. This comprehensive classification system helps us understand how connective tissues support, protect, and connect all components of the human body.